Ever wish your smartphone could capture the kind of tiny details you normally miss? Whether you're into beauty content, close-up photography, or just love seeing the world from a different perspective, your phone's built-in camera can only go so far. Getting clear macro shots of eyelashes, eyes, or other fine details is frustrating when everything turns blurry or lacks the sharpness you need. And when lighting isn't ideal, capturing those tiny details becomes even more challenging. That's where the APEXEL 10-20X zoom macro lens comes in. Designed for iPhone, Samsung, and other smartphones, this compact lens transforms your phone into a powerful close-up camera without the need for complicated setups or extra tools. With its 10-20X zoom capability, you can capture high-definition macro images with impressive detail. The built-in LED fill light helps brighten your subject, making it easier to get clearer shots even in lower light conditions. Since it's lightweight and compact, you can easily carry it in your bag or pocket and use it whenever inspiration strikes. Imagine creating beauty content, examining eyelash extensions, or capturing eye details with much greater clarity right from your phone. Installation takes just seconds. Simply attach the lens and start shooting. With CE and ROSE certifications and a simple, travel-friendly design, it's a practical accessory for anyone who wants to get more out of their smartphone camera. If you'd like to check it out, you'll find the link in the description, and it's definitely worth taking a closer look before it's gone.